Welcome to another how-to video. In this video, let me show you how you can create a loyalty program on Shopify. Let's head over to the Shopify website. Now that we are on the Shopify website, click the search bar. I know there are three loyalty programs on Shopify, and it's up to you which one you choose. These are Smile Loyalty and Rewards, Loyalty Lion Rewards and Referral, and Yopto Product Reviews and UGC. For example, I will choose Smile Loyalty and Rewards, so I will type in a search bar and click Search Smile Loyalty Rewards and Shopify. After you find an app, click on it. After clicking the app you want to install, click Install. After that, click on Install again, and that's it. That's how to create a loyalty program on Shopify this 2024. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.